Our project name is Personal Expense Tracker, done by Bala Vignesh V, Team Lead Gokulnathan, Hariprakash, Harish K. Mentor name is Mrs. Raghav Priya G.
On to the next slide. This is the content of our project: abstract, problem statement, literature survey, existing system, proposed architecture, module split up, and explain output of modules, references, conclusion. Moving on to the next slide, we go to abstraction. Abstraction: money is a great tool, so people lavishly spend money. So actually, you don't know where our money is going. So that's why we have created this expense tracker application so that we can keep track of our money. Moving on to the next slide, this is a problem statement. Currently, there is no method present to track a daily expense. People use of a less effective source such as notes, which cannot provide any alerts or maintain complexity. Okay. So next, moving on to the next slide, literature survey. This is how the authors who have done their personal expense tracker application before, and their years where they published their expense tracker application. Existing system. The current system does not provide integration of cloud. They only provide desktop level application. So in this existing system, it is not user friendly. It does not maintain the daily expenses very easily. This is the proposed architecture of the our project. The user connects to the IP of the hosted IBM cloud, and it records their daily expenses and sends to the IBM DB, using which is created using Kubernetes and IBM registry. When the grid is full, sends an email. The threshold is full, it sends an email using SendGrid to mail, then to the device. We have added chatbot also in this project. Module split up and explanation. Sprint 1, we have done login and registration. In Sprint 2, we have done dashboard and add expenses. In Sprint 3, we have done provide SendGrid and Watson Assistant. In Sprint 4, containerization and deployment of application.
Then output of the modules, it contains a login and register. Let me see. This is our personal expense tracker application. Here we give the email ID and password to for login. Email ID is given by me. It is like this. Password is 8 characters, must include the upper cases and the symbols, and click on
So
login.
this is our personal expense tracker application. So we can see the balance is zero, total expense, daily expense, and everything is zero. So the user actually needs to go add an expense. So in this page you can see it is asking to enter the amount. For now, I just give 5,000 rupees and select the category as transport and click on add. So the it gets updated and 5k it's added. You can see the balance is minus 5,000 because it is in minus because of we didn't set a threshold for the wallet. So we come here to the profile section and set a threshold for the wallet limit as for now I just give it as 50,000 and click on add. So you can see the user is actually directly here to add their name, gender, phone, location, and password. um, we come back to the dashboard page and we can see the balance 45,000. 5k 5,000 is deducted from the balance of 50,000. So we can add the expense again, like a 8,500 and for utility bills, and click on it. So the weekly you can actually track the weekly expense also from here. So today is Wednesday, so it is showing Wednesday as 14k expense. The graph is here, and the category expenses you can see it is showing transport and utility. So the utility is more than transport, so the pie chart is over here. So you can see the balance. When you exceed the balance, you get a mail to the end user who actually register using the email ID. So if I give 50,000 and select category as medicine and add, so the balance will be in minus, and the user will get an email saying you have exhausted your daily limit or wallet. Uh, Coming back to the video, this is the output of modules, and you can see the we have added output of the project and the profile engine and Watson assistance output. and the deployment of Docker and Kubernetes is added here. Conclusion: this project we have delivered successfully because it works efficient to track income and expense tracker. The work successfully avoids the manual calculation for avoiding calculation the income and expense per month. These models are developed with efficient and also in a attractive manner. Thank you. This is our project.